spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So welcome back and thank you for joining again, and today I'm gonna teach you my second part of simple tutting combo. And the clip you just watched is my second part, and in that video I use my first part and second part of the combo. So the people who didn't watch my first part, so they can watch part 1 from here. The video is there, so go and watch that video first, because if you didn't watch the first part and you are now at this part, then you're gonna confuse part 1 and second. So it is better to watch that video first, so go and watch. Okay, without wasting any time, let's start it. Part 2. So today we're gonna begin from this position, because it is the end of part 1, and obviously part 2 start from this position. Okay, one is start from here, one is like this, one like this, one. Who didn't get it, I just flip it over to up, flip it over to up direction, and when I gonna place it here, we just have to flip it to down direction. If you didn't get it, just use the same motion which I use here and do it in this position. 1, and for the 2 we're gonna place it in front of us. 2, simple na. And for the 3 we gonna lift our left hand towards our left direction like this. 3, and the direction which I speak is according to you. You are watching my video in this direction, and I am gonna use same direction for you. Okay, so the left is your left, so left gonna go to your left direction. 3, and right hand you're gonna go to right direction. Okay, 4, simple. Let's repeat it so we can get it better. 1, 2, left gonna go to left. 3, and right to right. 4, very good. And from 4 we gonna do 5. Just we have to raise our both elbows to up direction, and we didn't do anything with our hands. Our hands are gonna be in same position, so don't mess with hands. Just raise your elbows and you get this. Okay, 5. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, elbow. 5, raise your elbow, and 5. Very good. Congratulations, you are in halfway of completing my second part. So just celebrate a little. Yeah. Okay, let's begin. So from here we're gonna do 6 for 6. It is simple. Just your both hands go to their directions, like left goes towards your left direction, left and right. The thing is, we just do it in a same time like this. 6, and for the 7, stay still here, and our right hand goes towards our left hand. 7, in 7 only your right hand will be moved, your left hand stays still. So remember, okay, only your right hand. 7, and for the 8 it goes like this. 8. When you gonna do 8, your left hand goes towards down direction. 8. We will count this both motion 8. Okay, so 6, 7, 8, and for the 9, our left hand goes up 9, and this motion also. This also counts 9. Okay, 9, and for the 10, our left hand goes like this, 10, and our right hand go downwards, and we count 10 both this motion, this and this one. So it completed 10. Oh, finally we did it. So we just have to repeat it. So let's start from our first position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And yeah, listen, don't discourage yourself. I know it's little bit confusing, so do some repetition and drills so you get better at it. And if you didn't get it in your first try, don't discourage. Just practice, and definitely you're gonna get it. Okay, so our second part is completed, and now we're gonna combine our first part and second part, and it makes total 20 steps, 10 plus 10. In our previous video we also done 10, and in this video we also did 10, and 10 plus 10 is 20, and we gonna combine it. So let's give it a shot. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, and the same thing, who didn't watch the first part, video link is in description. And before going anywhere, I have one request for you. Please subscribe and click the bell icon so you didn't miss any update. And when will I upload third part of this video, you directly got notified. So yeah, just practice and keep dancing, and peace out. Yes.